If you were fortunate enough to have a computer in 1979, probably the first software you wanted was something called BASIC, which was a simple way to program or to make programs.
This is an Atari game?
Yeah, well, yeah, I mean, it says game program.
Computer programming made easy. Good way to get into computer programming without an actual computer was if you had an Atari.
How does this 1979 cartridge still work? Well, the answer is that, well, it actually doesn't.
We had like 3 versions of basic programming, and I think a couple of them have gone bad. This one is definitely gone
Yeah,
bad.
looks like this, and it's not supposed to look like this.
This looks like one of the screens in the background of the Alien the movie.
I've never heard of a corrupt ROM chip like in a Atari game before. Have you?
I mean, we've had a couple of Atari games that have gone bad, but
but
not like this.
So we had to buy another one. So here's the version with the picture on it.
You had to buy a separate keyboard, and the keyboard, actually, can I show the keyboard? The keyboard is really janky. This goes into like joystick spot 1, and this goes into joystick spot 2, and you had to like slide them together. Am I sliding that much? I'm looking at this backwards, so you gotta go. Oh, there it goes. And that's how you made a keyboard. The system came with these overlays. We had to cut them out because I lost the entire set. Like I put this entire set together to start programming.
Alright, so here's how the program is supposed to look like.
Every color change is actually technically like a window. You know, like for example, if you were looking at, if this was on your desktop, you know, like you'd have different windows opened up. So for example, where it says status, symbols, and speed would be one window. Program 1 would be a second window. So all these are separate sections.
It's just like how you can close tabs or whatever. Like I can close all the tabs like that, and so like I don't need all the stuff, and so I can get rid of it all and just have the program code, and that's it.
So you can just concentrate on the programming code.
See that white dot? Well, I can make it change color. Why is that? This keyboard is too small to have all the keys, and so to deal with that, you change the color of the cursor, and that color changes all the buttons. Usually when you learn programming, like the first thing you do is you learn how to put text on the screen. So we're just going to do that. Usually like you switch it to green if you want to put in commands. And so, okay, there you go, print. My ex-girlfriend was a gold digger, so I'm going to put in the word gold digger.
Yeah.
Okay, and usually blue is like text. So let's see, G-O, should I do the double D here?
No. I don't even know if you have enough space. How many letters are
well, we're going to find out. You can see right away, like the limitations of this program here.
You have to close the quotation marks?
Well, it's, oh, actually, yeah, you're right. Good call.
So the programming part would be the input, and the output would literally be the output. So like you're inputting the code, and the output was what that code would produce. So this is actually pretty simple.
If I hide the code and I just show like the output and then I run it,
you run the code, right? Just a run button.
Right. I mean, like says gold digger.
Yeah. We did something.
Yeah, we did something. See,
and you keep on repeating it.
Now, if you hear that noise, okay.
Are you out of memory space?
Well, yes. Like, now, if I show status on top where it says the symbols 3, that means it has 3 bytes left, and so I can. I hope it's this button. Okay, there we go. Yes.
So when you set it, so you have 50 bytes to work from. Is every letter a byte?
Yeah. Now I just saw like I did this 3 times, right? But let's say that I want to do that like automatically without pressing the button 3 times. So what I do is I go to line 2 and I say, okay.
Line 2.
So what do you think the command is called? Like to go to line 1, like to go back to line 1, or
repeat.
Oh no, it's go to. Okay.
Go to. Okay. Oh, that's funny.
Usually numbers are red. And so, like, I just switch it to 1 and say, go to line 1. Let me hide this, and let me hide the program code and run it. And, yeah, see, and it just does it by itself.
I see what you're saying. So, like, by telling it to go back to 1, it's going to keep on repeating itself until it ran out of memory. Right.
So, how can we fix that? This is a layer. So,
you've run out of space even for the programming section.
Yeah, okay, so I'm going to...
reset it.
Like, the only way I found is if I use clear, which clears out like the word, and it seems to give out more memory, like of course, because like it's gonna be gone.
You're clearing the amount on your displaying.
Now, if I open up status, you can see how the symbols keep repeating.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It keeps clearing the bytes and reloading them over and over again.
And I can also slow it down, I believe. So
So is that what speed is? Is the speed actually the speed that is the speed the refresh rate of this code? By the way.
Hold on. Yeah, sometimes like just like this bug where I can't see anything.
Oh, there you go.
See, like I can make it slower, I can make it faster. So let me make it slower. Yeah, see?
And
All
you
the
could actually
code.
physically see it. So
Yeah.
actually, what that's actually kind of cool.
And in fact, like it also has a thing called stack, and the stack shows you the command like that's happening next.
Oh, so you can actually go. Can you actually go? Can you actually step it? Can you actually go step by step?
Yeah, so it's actually a step button where it says step, and I press on it. Yeah, see, like it shows what's happening next.
Right,
So it says
right.
go to 1.
I know it makes the screen jump a little bit, but allow the output back in there.
Okay, okay.
So yeah, so go back at 1. Yeah, so right, output print. Right, that's cool. Gold digger, gotcha. Yeah,
Okay, and
Clear.
then clear, and then
Clear goes, yeah, it's
and
cleared
then it
it, right.
clears, and then it
just go back to step 1. Can you get to do sounds? You probably could get it to do sounds.
yeah, sure.
What I want is I want it to play that song, Gold Digger. Who sings it?
Kanye West, right? Now the sound is done weird, all right? Because okay, so here's note. Well, they call it note, but it's like more like a beep, and and the notes aren't tied to notes, and so like it's not like C D E. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
the instructions implies you can make music. No, you can't, because music has things like melody and timing, and so the only way I found to like to lay a note is to just fill it with like another command. You know, slowing down the machine. I'm gonna make another line, and so
I mean, I think. By the way, I actually like how you could just add a line in here because I remember programming on the Commodore 64, and after you screw up a line, you can't go back.
I'm gonna put in note 7. Let's see how it sounds. Okay, I can
Wait, keep on going.
let's try 8.
Yeah, you're right. 0 and 8 are the same
It's
thing.
the same note. Oh, we aren't there yet. Okay, let's see how much. Wow.
Oh,
Yeah, like we ran out already.
well, there you go.
Now just looping.
Actually, that's pretty cool.
Here we go.
Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, I can see it too. Just saying, dun, 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 dun. I'm not gonna lie. It sounds more like it sounds more like when you're pressing like the pause button in a Nintendo game.
She give me more when I'm in need.
I
gotta leave. This is so stupid.
Flash the freaking digger part later on if you haven't.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Okay,
Oh, yeah.
so D-I-G-G.
Come on.
Oh,
You got them reversed. That is a cue.
what?
That is a cue. Go digger, go digger, go digger. Dude, I like it. Dude, you ought to be a DJ and only put in your Atari to everything.
One last thing, you can actually put a comma, and the comma will let you put more than one stuff on the same line. Okay, and so just to add like more space, or to add more of a delay, I'm just gonna jam in like whatever command that I want,
Okay.
and so like I'm just gonna put in like print, and let's see if I run out of room. So, damn it.
It sounds like you're already in a room. Can you actually scroll down?
No. I
Wow,
don't think so.
you can actually push the other lines off the page.
So let's like step through it and see. 7,
Wow.
0.
Wow, you literally run out of juice.
I ain't sent you the gold digger. But she ain't messing with the broke.
That is as basic gets.
Yeah, so like that's our basic program. And if anyone else out there was crazy, just like us, and has made programs using this, let me know.
Mom, Dad, I need a $5,000 computer so I can learn how to program at home. And then Mom and Dad were like, we already have a way to program already at home. We already have a program. We already have a computer at home. The computer at home. You know, like, do you think this could actually help programmers out today getting their feet wet?
Like now?
Yeah.
I wouldn't bother with this. I mean, this is like this is a disaster. Like you got to scroll through 3 keyboards. You know what I mean? Just to like
You know what I
just use this
You
damn
know what?
program.
You're gonna think I'm crazy when I say this, but I feel like this could be like a nerd's fidget tool, like a fidget spinner. Like it's like I could totally see somebody
little
like
bit.
get drunk, trying to like wind down to a long day, just being like, "What stupid things can I make my Atari do?"